and score tests are the one-off way and tools for students to join party university. With score tests, students can show real ability themselves. In this fact, we can understand this motion with the but university should only accept students based on standardized score test. It is true and should be support in field condition that we look all this time. Thank you.
Okay. You know, even though standardized test score is one of the path to university exam, but students may lack academic knowledge. Think about the students who are afraid at academy, but excellent at leadership, sportsmanship, and any other non-academic achievement.
Okay, now the second speaker from negative side.
On the other side, let's think about one example. Athlete, if I may ask, what does an athlete have to do with standardized test score that they talk about, things that aren't ever
From affirmative team.
So, we agree about the entering to university should require a test as the standard of the entering university with a minimum score that we got from conference mechanism. Then, we also correct if student entering university with rapid score is not fair because many schools have many
Rewind. Okay, rewind. So you, what is and the point you say, test is fair minimum for entering university, right? You said like that. I don't think so. What's the meaning of we studying out here? Like if we study for 5 semester for the test, what we doing? Just study when we I simple it like if we just take test for the result, we cannot use the report or the achievement that we got. We not apa ya?
Why tadi you think the test is not fair because you study 5 semester, but now really in many school have a manipulation score report. You know that many school, not small school. The manipulation score is like 8 point plus to student report. Even though the student ability isn't as high as score.
Only accept students by their test score. So what's the meaning of about their grade score and all their achievement in non-academic? So all of that will be useless for the student. There will be no major standard like IPA or IPS. The test is same like everything is same. Not IPA or IPS is the same. It's the same is when will we take a test. You know, like many students have like apa ya?
Every major has their own scale for the subtest result. For example, if you take the social major, the university will look at your result in social subtest like maybe literacy or general knowledge. So it be a problem for you if you take social major for your maybe math result test. The thing is, in standardized score test, we standardize all of it. It's like the math, the literation, and all of the subject there. We add it, and rata-rata itu apa? Average. The average is there. It's not just this one she is good at this thing, and then that's the only score they will accept. It's not like that. It's the average of them all. So if your math or anything else is bad, then it will affect the average score. school, so he have a small chance to be accepted that university. So I think score test selection system is more fair because not look at that point. Thank you.
And now go to the fourth speaker. Now,
Why? Because in standardized tests, this subject, of course it's not all, wasn't even studied nor mentioned in daily high school days. So, you only study if they mention it, it will be studied at the last semester or semester 6 where the reports are not credible for it at all. And then, student gets to study them at school, so they are required to study them twice. A school subject and then the standardized test subject because if we know that the standardized is not really that much from high school. There are many questions that isn't even teach it in school.
Test score, there will be many students who feels overwhelmed and pressure. This feeling may lead to illegal outcomes or paying, cheating, and other misleading behavior.
Going to test, you will check the body out of your body, then you will, and computer is from university. Doesn't if the computer issue doesn't have electricity or
right. Do you know last event in Tobeka last year? Do you know problem? There are many people they insert a system or tools in their ears. The security check out their body, but they found nothing. But they have system on their ear, right? So test is not always right. Test can not proper can complete. You know that's right. You guys know you guys all know in Tobeka someone insert their chip or ear plug.
but the presentation is small than the manipulation score in school. In Indonesia, we have a many school, right? And the many school is like many school in Indonesia get a manipulation score to the student report to get into in the university.
I think even though we like the teacher may give more credit to the student. I think there are like a little bit percentage of it just like randomly giving it like higher up stake because I think teacher will think about who to give to students. It's not like the 14th, like the first one and the 14th was gonna be the same grade. And the teacher will think highly of the first ranked person because he has more chance with the university with rapport.
But I have a friend and he school in another school now here. The ranking is bottom, but the grade is but the average score is higher than me now.
Okay, that's just probably the school system that lacks. Okay, it's not we that lack. It's probably the school system because many schools have already state about their highest grade, highest score, or lowest score. Like maybe in other schools the highest score is this one, and they don't want anyone to have a lower grade. Or maybe in this school, the teacher doesn't really have any standard about scoring. That's why maybe
affirmative team.
In conclusion, that we can, in fact, we should accept the student with core test because it's the one of fair way to join universities. But in fact, there is not only one way from joining universities. We absolutely consult, compare to capability, ability, and skills in every student. Because of that, we
Conclusion negative team.
Is that the order motion?
From the dari,
From the motion,
it states that okay,
is that the only
except
student
because of
because of
standardized.
Our team is because there are many paths or there are many way to enter university like rapport or non-academic, because many people not just smart or have good grades, but they have many abilities like to sports or like to seni, just something like that. Okay, thank you.
Oke, semuanya.
Okay, after that, the affirmative team is already given their conclusion and also the negative team. So that's the end of this debate.
Yeah.